This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Klempay. Desirable Lake Park lot for sale. Land is the value, current home is strictly a tear down. Located on a beautiful tree-lined street waiting for your dream home. Newer homes are on each side of this property. Bike ride to the upcoming new four-season resort and Lowdermilk Beach Park. Just minutes from Lake Park Diner, downtown 5th Avenue, Old Naples and our beautiful Naples beaches. Great location, Lake Park is a desirable and fast-growing community. No HOA fees. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia Klempay at 239-659-4200.